So I have been what you would call reverse electroplating. I've got a bunch of silver plated whatnot. I don't know if you can see that with this camera, but all silver plate. Some of them have hallmarks, but they're still silver plated. Basically, I have two hooked up right now, so you can kind of see it swirling right now. I have two because the battery charger that I have is a trickle charger, and it only gets 1.5 amps. So this alone, if you had this, wouldn't be powerful enough to do this. So you would need a better one than that, probably somewhere around 4 to 6 amps. So I have this one, which is 1.5, and then I have, this is just a cheap little RC battery charger for power wheels. I have them hooked up. The main thing you just want to remember is that you kind of have to use a small dish depending on what you are reverse electroplating. And basically you want to hook the negative to your stainless steel, and this is all safe. Like, you can touch it and you can move stuff around and stuff while it's going. As you can see, it's on and everything. That one's on. Basically you want to hook the negative to your stainless steel though, and you want to clamp that right to your container, like so. Just keep it over to the side, and then for your, you can tell right now, just as it is, you can see the line. It did look like this, obviously, when I put it in. Now it looks like that, and it's only been in there, I want to say it 2 minutes, 3 minutes, but when you put it in there, you want to make sure that it actually starts doing something. You don't want to just walk away, because it will cause problems. So basically, what I do is I turn it all on, and I get my negative in there, and I hook my positive up like this, and you can see it's not registering or anything. And then when I put it in the water, it'll start registering slowly, and then it stays on. Yeah. And when I pull it out, it says it's fully charged, and then it'll go off. And I put it back in, comes back on, and it'll go yellow again. Just give it a second. But yeah, and I mean, it doesn't take long. Probably this is what they're gonna come out looking like. These ones weren't in for very long, so they're kind of green still. There's still a little bit of gold plate or silver plating still on there. You can see the copper underneath right there. That's where the connectors were connected to it. These can be put back in. I'm gonna do that in probably a later video. I've never really done videos, but this is the first real video I've done on this channel. Just basically a how-to. That's all you really need. You can put salt in it. I recommend it because you'll get an effect right off. Be prepared and make sure that you have cloths, everything like that. You're gonna need, like, I used a napkin right here because I was trying to just show this is the color of stuff you're gonna get out most likely. And you're gonna have to sift through it. You're gonna have to filter it multiple times, but have coffee filters available. Have a knife. Don't use the sharp end, because you'll scrape base metals off, and you'll get base metals mixed in with your silver. So I used the back edge, and I just, see if I can do this. I just scrape it like this. And you can see everything coming off. This green is not your silver. Your silver is going to be a blackish, because it's silver coating. It's just going to be a black film. Almost, I had a piece of paper actually. It's almost going to look like this. It's going to be, this is just a piece of paper, but it's going to come out black looking, like dark tarnish, kind of like this spoon, dark. That's what it's going to come out looking like. This is actually fake silver. It's coin nickel actually. Found out today. It's marked RC Co. We tested it today. Somewhere. Yeah, right there. You can't really see it, but that shiny silver spot right there is where we tested it with acid. So that's fake. Anyway, I will get back to you guys. A little bit of scrap gold and stuff that I have laying around. Let you guys know how the rest of it goes.